Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2017 Dodge Charger SXT all-wheel drive. Stock number B9575P. 45,000 miles on this Charger. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Pitch black in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, as well as 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Charger is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seats 5, cloth interior, split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out, and very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SXT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, along with heated front seats, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. 8-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect to mobile media devices. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Charger has a 3.6-liter V6, 292 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a large all-wheel drive sedan. EPA average of 18 miles to the gallon and a city average of 27 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information on this Charger, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.